Good day, everyone. Learn how to delete a user account profile on Windows 11 or a Windows 10 computer. So click on the search icon and type user, and you will find add, edit, and remove other users on this device. It will work on same version of Windows, 10 and 11 both, and you just need to click on that. And here you will find the current account which I have already logged in and other accounts here. So we can click on accounts and we can scroll down, and here you will find emails and accounts and other users. So if you find other users, that is fine, or else you can find other users here, and from there you can remove, like you can click on manage, and from here you can remove it. So this is for the online account. I'll go back right there in the accounts, and we will go to other users. And from here, I can simply click on that, and I can click on remove, and it will ask you delete account and data. If you want to, you can do that. And the moment we click on that, it will be removed. So this is how you can delete a user account, a local user account, and an online user account on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Have a wonderful day. If you find this tutorial helpful, please share and hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.